video in Jamaica village, where even people calling out, and that's what I mean that with the Rasta, people want to find here. So you as a herbalist know what people want to find. When you advertise, them know to find.
Come here, we'll find
yeah,
them.
man.
We'll find them.
Yeah, man, just give him, see him like I explained a while ago.
Yes.
Yeah, man, just give him, man.
Well, like I said, I was saying to you,
Yeah.
your problem don't start with your eyes.
Yeah.
It starts with your head.
Yeah.
Anytime your blood starts going bad,
Yeah.
it goes to your head.
Yeah.
And the more your blood go bad,
Yeah.
the more your eyes go bad. Because your blood that connects to the eye, when it comes to your eye now, if it's not clear, the blood in your head is not clear, then your eyes will become different. Yes.
Okay.
Or you start getting cataracts
Yeah.
or glaucoma. When you start getting glaucoma now, your eyes look like they can see, but they can't see. What it is the blockage in your head. They have nothing to move the blockage from out of your head unless they give the needle and pull out the blockage. When they do that, that needle that they put in your head, it makes you see, because they pull out that blockage that was there. But after a while, the thing come back again because it's still in the vein. What I do now is I give you a medicine, you sniff, and it goes all to the nervous system in your head and pull out the mucus out of your head. When it pulls out the mucus out of your head, now your eyes, it comes to your eye. When you feel it, you will feel it on your eye, and the mucus will start coming out of your eye. You will actually see it come out of your eye.
Yeah?
Yes. And after you see that come out of your eye, and you see it on your eye now, you see that the thing reach your eye. Wait about 10 minutes and look outside, you'll see the difference. You'll see a difference. But after you see that difference, that's not all. I will drop some on your eye. When I drop some on your eye, now that would clear the eye from outside. As you have to
inside out.
Yes. Yes. Like you have cataracts, you go in front of the corner of your eye now, it will move the cataracts. Because if you move the cataracts without moving it from the head inside, it will grow back again. So we kill it from inside, take it from outside. Finish that. No more of them glasses. Alright. Alright.
Serious thing.
Serious thing.
Serious. Why may I tell you?
The eye is the most important part of your body, because if you don't have no eye, you cannot see, you're dead. You're not dead, but you actually you're dead.
Yeah, man. Can't do nothing. You like.
You can do something, because I know all heap of blind people, them do all heap of things, and but the blind man can't walk and the crippled man can't walk.
Okay.
So the crippled man now, I see for the blind man, and the blind man I push the crippled man.
That was different.
I sure if one of them dead today, the other one dead tomorrow. They have grown so close to each other because we need each other. Blindness and what you call stroke. Blindness and stroke is working more and more in Ghana now because of the system, the airwaves. You see, the toxics in the airwaves make the blindness come more, and the toxics in the body make the cripple come more. Because when your blood is not flowing right, you start getting cocoa. You know what cocoa is? Yeah. Your legs and your waist start seize up. That means there's too much of the phlegms in your body. So when you detoxicate that, everything come out and you start free up yourself. When you exercise and free up yourself, you start come new again. Sometimes you know the bush and the bush. Yeah. You understand? You just, you understand? Yeah. Every day I do the exercise. You understand? Some days I push against yourself. It's so much slow work. Yeah. No, gym. Mine is the gym of life. Well, if you are work, physical work, you know how to exercise.
Yeah, man, roots.
Yes, I. Roots. We're going to meet again, man.
Yeah, man.
Because you are wear glasses.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
All right.
May I get a number from this
All
brother?
right.
Yes,
Link
sir.
up.
Yeah, man. Bless the love.
Steady.
Respect. Respect.
Rasta man, serious thing.
Yeah.
Wealth and knowledge,